Hey guys, if you're watching this, you should have completed numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8, the evens, on this paper. So let's look at this. At a school fundraiser, for every 9 boxes of chocolate sold, you earned 6 points. If you were to sell 18 boxes, how many points would you have earned? So of course the purpose of this paper is to practice using the double number lines to figure out these problems. I kind of like these because it helps us know, really helps us dissect the problem, I think. So what we've got here is at a school fundraiser, for every 9 boxes of chocolate, so we're going to put that in the top, that's where our boxes are. I'm just going to start that right here. For every 9 boxes of chocolate sold, we earned 6 points. Or 6 points. And then our question is, how many points would we earn if we sold 18 boxes? Well, I'm going to go ahead and put 18 on my number line. And because 18 is a multiple of 9, I know that if I multiply 9 times 2, I get 18. So then to figure out how many points I would earn, I'm going to multiply 6 times 2 to find out we have 12. That's really all we need on this number line to get our answer. So we know the answer for number 2 then would be 12. All right, moving down to 4. In a video game, for every 4 enemies defeated, you earned 7 points. If you defeated 32 enemies, how many points would you have? Well, let's start our number line then. If we defeat 4 enemies, so this is the enemies on top, we would earn 7 points. All right, well, let's work in multiples of 4 until we get to 32. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And so 7 times 2 would be 14. So if we had defeated 8 enemies, we would have gotten 14 points. All right, and then let's move up the scale here. 4 times 3 then would be 12. So 7 times 3 is 21. If we defeated 12 enemies, we would have gotten 21 points. But we're not to 32. We want to know about 32 enemies. All right, so the next multiple of 4 then is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 7 is 28. The next multiple of 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So 7 times 5 is 35. The next multiple of 4, 4 times 6 is 24. And 7 times 6 is 42. We're getting close. And then the next multiple of 4, 4 times 7 is 28. And 7 times 7 is 49. And we've got 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7. So let's do 4 times 8, which gives us our 32. That's what we're looking for. And so 7 times 8 is 56. So if we had defeated 32 enemies, we would have 56 points for number 4. All right, hope that went well for you. Let's check number 6. A box of candy had 4 cherry pies for every 7 lemon pieces. 4 cherry pieces for every 7 lemon pieces. If the box had 49 lemon pieces, how many cherry pieces would there be? So lemon goes on top, cherry on bottom. So we've got 7 lemon gives us 4 cherry, and we want 49 lemon. All right, well let's try this. So you might think already that you know what the multiple of 7 is. That would give you 49, but if you don't, we can just work this out. So 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8, and remember we're looking for a 49 on the lemon line. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 5 is 20. 7 times 6 is 42, getting close. 4 times 6 is 24. And finally, 7 times 7 is 49. And 4 times 7 is 28. So if we had 49 lemon pieces, then we would have 28 cherry pieces. So on my number line 6 over here, I'm sorry, on problem number 6 over here, I'll put in 28. If we had 49 lemon pieces, we would have 28 cherry pieces. All right, last one, here we go. A builder could get 9 sheets of sheetrock for $6. If he bought 63 sheets, how much money would he have spent? All right, so sheetrock on top, prices on the bottom. So he's got 9 pieces of sheetrock, and that cost him $63. Oh no, sorry, that cost him $6. Let's get rid of that 3. All right, so he's got 9 sheets of sheetrock, and that's going to cost him $6. And we want to know if he buys 63 sheets. Well, I'm going to think to myself, instead of doing all of these, what would 9 times what gives me 63? So what's the multiple of 9 that would give me 63? So 9 times 7 is going to give me 63. That means I have to do 7 times 6 to find out how much money that would cost. So that would be $42. Now you can do more of the multiples in here. If you don't right off the bat notice that 63 is a multiple of 9, you can still add some of the other multiples in there until you find the right one. But now we know that if we purchased 63 pieces of sheetrock, we would have to pay $42. So number 8 up here is $42. So this is just another way for you to be able to use rates to solve problems. Oh, those are not all dollars. Ignore that last thing where I put dollar signs in all of there. It's just the last one is dollars. Okay, guys, go ahead and check this. Make sure that you bring this paper with you to class the next time I see you, and we'll move on when I see you. Hope you're enjoying your day.